Welcome to the FAU Computer Lab 3D printer tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to prepare and execute a 3D print using the Bambu Labs printer. Start by getting the student's 3D file. Make sure it's an STL or 3MF format. You'll know it's valid if it shows up with a Bambu Labs icon. Ask the student what color they'd like and locate the filament from the labeled containers in the lab office. Go to the printer's AMS. That's the box on top of the printer. Remove any of the empty or unused spools from one of the 4 slots. If it's a new spool, snip the tip cleanly using wire cutters. Insert the filament into the slot, and the AMS will auto-load it. On the printer's screen, go to the Filament Options menu. Select the correct brand, type, and color of the filament you just loaded. In Bambu Studio, hit Synchronize Filament so that the newly loaded material appears on your filament list. Drag the student's file into Bambu Studio. If the model appears rotated or off-center, click on it and select Auto Orient at the top. Ask the student to confirm the orientation and make sure the model isn't disconnected or too small. If the student submitted multiple files, right-click and select Arrange. If they don't all fit, use Add Plate to create a new plate to place the files on. Make any edits or scaling adjustments that the student requests. Then click the filament number, 1 through 4, that corresponds with the AMS slot where you loaded the filament being used. This changes the print color in Bambu Studio. Then slice the plate. If you see a yellow warning in the corner, it means the model has floating areas and will need supports. Go to the Support tab, check Enable Support, and set the type to Tree. Then reslice. Before printing, check the build plate. If it's covered in glue, go to the lab office, grab the alcohol spray and a scrub daddy, and clean the plate in the bathroom or a nearby sink. Once clean and dry, apply a thin layer of glue to help the model stick. From Bambu Studio, go to the Print Plate button and make sure that auto bed leveling is on, flow dynamics calibration is off, and time-lapse is off unless told to do otherwise. Let the student know the estimated time and the filament used, which are displayed here. Hit Send, then watch the printer start. Keep watching during the first few layers in case of errors, and check on the print periodically until it's finished. Once it's finished, the supports will need to be removed, ideally with pliers, to reveal the model in its full intended form. And that's it! Follow these steps carefully and you'll help keep the 3D printing process running smoothly for all students. Thanks for watching and happy learning!